Email automation is where Klaviyo really makes money. Not one-off campaigns, not manual sending, automation. In this video, I'll show you how to use Klaviyo for email automation step by step in 2026 using simple workflows that actually drive sales. All right. First, clarity. Email automation in Klaviyo is built using flows. A flow sends emails automatically when someone does something, like subscribing, viewing a product, or abandoning a cart. Once set up, it runs in the background. Now, open the Flows section. This is where all automation lives in Klaviyo. You can create flows from scratch or start with proven templates. Next, choose a trigger. Triggers are actions customers take, like subscribe to list, started checkout, or placed order. Good automation starts with strong intent-based triggers. All right, now filters. Filters control who should or shouldn't receive emails. For example, exclude people who already purchased or people who received the flow recently. This keeps automation relevant and avoids spam. Now, build the emails. Each email should have one goal and one clear call to action. Automation emails work best when they're simple, personal, and focused. Timing matters. Use delays to space out emails based on intent. High intent actions like abandoned cart need short delays. Lower intent actions can wait longer. Now, make automation smarter with conditional splits. You can send different emails based on behavior, like whether someone opened or clicked. This makes automation feel personal instead of robotic. Finally, test and monitor, preview emails, test triggers, and check analytics regularly. Automation isn't set and forget. It improves when you review it monthly, and that's how to use Klaviyo for email automation properly. Strong triggers, smart timing, clear messaging, and ongoing optimization. Get this right, and your email revenue grows automatically.